Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 7i, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle. So for me it's right over here. Now once you find it, you can hold the toggle. This will take us to the settings, where you can quickly change a couple of settings. So as you can see, personal hotspot settings. So starting off, I would advise you to change the password, because as you can see, it's just some randomly generated trash. So let's remove this one and set our own. It does need to have 8 characters in length. There we go. Now outside of that, you can also change the name of the Wi-Fi right here if you wanted to. If you don't, you can just read this one and try to remember it. It's quite easy. It's always going to be the name of the device. So yeah. Now we do also have the AP band. Now unfortunately we have only the choice to choose between one or the other, not both. So if you know that your device supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, then by all means go for it. If you're not sure, I would say also go for it, because if your device doesn't support it, you just won't see your Wi-Fi at all. And if that is the case, then you know that it doesn't support it, and all you need to do is come back here and basically change it to 2.4 for it to actually work correctly. So select the better one, and if it works then great. If it doesn't, then you can just drop it down. And that's about it. From here, tap on save, and you can then click on the checkbox right here, personal hotspot, to turn it on. And this is one way to turn it on. The other one would be just to basically find the toggle and tap on it the same way as you would do to turn it off, as I just did. So that is how you would turn it on and off and set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.